how to make Polaroid pictures in Canva. Now you could go ahead and create a Canva design from scratch. You could upload your image and just tweak it a little bit, add a few elements to make it look like a Polaroid image. But one of the fastest ways you should be able to do this is to just use a template. There should be a lot of free Polaroid templates you can use, so just go into the template section and search for Polaroid, like so. You could make it more specific, like a Polaroid template, and you'll be able to see lots of options you can go from. So in our case, I'm just gonna go with this template over here. Now if you're using the free version, you're gonna avoid the ones with the crowns over here, since these ones will need an upgrade. But the ones that doesn't, they're pretty much free. You could use them however way you want. So just go ahead and press on customize this template. Then you're just gonna go ahead to your uploads or elements, whatever kind of image you want to put here. In our case, we're gonna use this image, and then we're just gonna put it in our Canva design. Hold on, like so. And then we're gonna put it in the photo. You can go ahead and adjust the image inside the Polaroid little piece of paper. You can increase the size. Maybe you just want to put in a small portion of the original image, but pretty much depends on you and what you want to do. You could even change the text of whatever is down here. But that is how you make Polaroid pictures in your Canva. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.